Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to update Roblox on your PC. Make sure you already have Roblox installed before we start. First, open your web browser and log into your Roblox account. Then, find any game you like and click on it. Next, hit the play button. You will see a message asking to open Roblox Player and just click Open Roblox Client. This will launch Roblox. If there's an update available, it will start downloading automatically. You can see mine is updating right now. It might take a little while, but once it's done, you will have the latest version of Roblox ready to go. I hope this helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.